Hello students, good morning. In our last lecture, we had learned about prime numbers and its concepts. Okay, that is prime factor, factor tree and all. Now in today's lecture, we will learn about the next point of the chapter, that is power and roots. Okay, see here. What is the meaning of power? A number multiplied by itself several times is called a power of that number. Okay, what is the definition? A number multiplied by itself several times is called a power of that number. Okay, see here. How can we define power? See here an example. 9 square. How we can write? It will be 9 into 9. That is square of 9. Okay. 9 cube, which we can write 9 into 9 into 9. Cube of 9. 9 raised to 4, which is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9, which we can say 4th power of 9. Okay. Next concept, root of a number. All of you are familiar with squares and square roots. Okay. See here, square of 5 is equals to, it will be 5 square. Okay, which is 25. How we can write 5 square? That is 5 into 5. Square root of 25 is 5. When we take square root of 25, we get the answer as 5. Right? That is, here we get 2 roots of square root of 25. That is plus 5 and minus 5. When we take square root of any number, we get 2 roots. One is positive and second is negative. Now, next concept, cube of a number. See here, 5 cube. How we can write 5 cube? That is 5 raised to 3. How we can write? 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, means we have to multiply 5 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. We get the answer as 125. So how we can write cube root of 5? See here, cube root of 125. Cube root of 125 equals to how much? It will be 5. Okay, but minus 5 raised to 3, how we can write? Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So what will be the multiplication of this term? It will be minus 125. Okay. So cube of minus 5 is not 125. We get minus 125. So here we are not getting 2 roots for that. When we find square root, only that time we get 2 roots, and when we find cube root, we will not get 2 roots. Okay. Now we will solve some examples based on squares, square roots, cube and cube roots. Okay, see here, find value of x to make each of these statements. Okay, means we have to make these statements correct. Here we have x into x, which is equals to 576. Okay, so first we write the equation x into x equals to 576. Now All of you know square of 24 is 576. So this will be x square. X into x means x square equals to 24 into 24, that is 576. Here we have x square is equals to 24 square, because 24 multiplied by 24 is there, so it will be 24 square. So when we take square root of both sides, we get the answer of x as 24. Okay. Now next question. See here, y into y into y equals to 729. Here y multiplied by y multiplied by y means y 3 times is there, as well as 9 is also 3 times here. So we can write y cube equals to 9 is also 3 times, so it will be 9 cube. When we take cube root of both sides, we get y equals to 9. Now see here, we have root x equals to 169. Root x is equals to 169. Squaring both sides. When we square both sides, we get root x square equals to 169 square. Okay. So this square root and square will get cancelled, and here remains x only, equals to 169 into 169. So we get the answer as x equals to 28,561. Okay. Next question. Cube root of y equals to 3. Okay. Cube root of y equals to 3 here. Now we have to cube both sides. Cubing both sides we get. So cube root of y raised to 3 equals to 3 cube. So we get here y as this cube root and this cube get cancelled, and here y remains, which is equals to cube of 3 is 27. Now next question. Use the product of prime factors to find the square root. Okay. Here we had given some prime factors, and from that we have to find the square root of that number. Okay. See here, 324 equals to prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So we can write this as square root of 324 equals to square root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here we have to make pairs, so we can take 1 out of this. Okay. We have 2 into 2, so we can take only 1. 3 into 3, that is we have to take only 1 3. And here 3 into 3 we have to take only 1 3. So the answer will be 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So square root of root 324, square root of 324 is equals to 18. Okay. Now next question. 343 equals to 7 into 7 into 7. All of you know cube of 7 is 343. So we find cube root of 343 here. Cube root of 343 equals to, in cube root sign we have 7 into 7 into 7. Therefore cube root of 343 equals to 7. Okay. I hope all of you understood the concept of power and roots. Thank you.